Today we're diving deep into the Dell XPS 13 Plus 2026 edition, one of the most powerful and stylish Windows Ultrabooks available today. We'll cover design, display, performance, battery life, keyboard, and even compare it with the MacBook Air M5 and other top laptops. If you're looking for a premium laptop for work, content creation, or everyday use, you'll want to watch this full hands-on review. The Dell XPS 13 Plus continues Dell's tradition of sleek and premium designs. It features an aluminum chassis that feels both light and sturdy, weighing around 2.7 pounds. The edge-to-edge keyboard gives it a modern look, and the hinge is smooth and stable. Unlike traditional laptops, this one has no separate function row, which makes it feel clean and futuristic. Ports are limited to Thunderbolt 4 USB-C. Perfect for charging and high-speed transfers, though some may miss USB-A ports. Overall, the build feels premium and professional. The Dell XPS 13 Plus has a 13.4-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Text is crisp, making it perfect for office work, streaming, or content creation. Touch support makes scrolling and multi-touch gestures smooth. Brightness peaks around 500 nits, so it works well even in bright rooms. Whether you're watching YouTube, Netflix, or editing photos, the visuals really pop. This laptop has the latest Intel 14th Gen processors, 16 GB RAM, and fast SSD storage, making it lightning fast for multitasking. Opening apps, switching browser tabs, and running Office software is seamless. Light video editing or photo editing works smoothly. Heavy 4K editing is possible, though it can push the fans a bit. In benchmarks, the XPS 13 Plus is competitive with the MacBook Air M5, and in real-world use, it handles almost anything you throw at it. Battery life is solid. In mixed-use scenarios like browsing, streaming, and light editing, you get around 9 to 10 hours. Fast charging via USB-C fills up to 80% in about 50 minutes. The OLED display is efficient even at 120 Hz, which helps maintain battery life. The edge-to-edge keyboard has low travel but responsive keys. Typing feels modern and satisfying. The trackpad is large, smooth, and supports Windows precision gestures, which is great for productivity and creative work. How does it compare with the MacBook Air M5? Design. MacBook Air is slightly lighter, but XPS 13 Plus feels more futuristic. Performance. Intel 14th Gen is strong, close to M5 in real-world use. Display. OLED on XPS is vibrant, Retina on Air is color accurate. Price. XPS 13 Plus is slightly cheaper at high-end configs, making it an attractive Windows alternative. The Dell XPS 13 Plus is perfect for students, creators, and professionals who want a premium Ultrabook without going Mac. Vibrant OLED display, solid build, responsive keyboard, fast performance. But limited ports, fan noise under load, slightly less battery than MacBook Air in heavy use. Overall, highly recommended for anyone seeking a top-tier Windows Ultrabook in 2026. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. Comment below which feature impressed you most: display, battery, or performance. Check out the playlist for more laptop reviews and comparisons. Links are on the end screen.